5.2-gallon fuel tank can gas. Tank with anti-corrosion, anti-static, anti-ultraviolet, 3 handles, and air breather. With release valve, please open the valve to release the gas after storing the fuel for a long time, which will help to pour the fuel smoothly. Easy to use. Built-in spout with a flexible filler hose can be easily inserted into the tank opening. Features 3 side handle for helping to add fuel easily. Convenient to use. Wide application fits all vehicles such as off-road, truck, car, motorcycle, boat, etc. Can be used for holding water and fuel oil. Stronger safety, made of high density polyethylene plastic material, impact resistant.